Hello and welcome back to another video. I have another commission. This is actually pre-Christmas, but obviously I can't put up any videos and reveals until after Christmas, until the person who is gifting this has gifted it on Christmas Day. So similar to my last inking video, I will be inking with my Yetee dip pen. Very fine tip, as you can see, lovely pen, and highly recommend if you're going to go for a glass dip pen, if you can afford it, go for a quality dip pen, because this brand is perfect and the tip of this pen is absolutely beautiful to work with. So I'm not going to waffle on, I'm just going to allow you to see the rest of this video. Here is the finished inking. Yeah, finished. It was another two-parter like my last inking. Did the first part was about that much, and then today I just finished off that ear and that side of the head and the legs, and then I just grounded her with a little bit of pencil underneath just to make it look like she's not floating in the air, and then that's final. Just like a little dot of highlight on the eyes there, just to make sure that you can see that the eyes are there. Yeah, that's it. I'm really pleased with this one. It's the first dog I've done that's been really curly like this properly, and I was finding it a bit daunting, thinking about all these coils, but I soon got into the habit of marking out where the curls were and then working from that, showing the fur going in that direction, to form that curl, and then creating shadows and light areas just to show where the curls are going, where it's going to be the tip of the curl, where it's being hit by the light, and then the shadows where it meets another piece of hair or another curl, etc. So I'm really, really pleased with this. I think it's turned out really, really well. And again, I think I might show more of these, but give me a thumbs up if you agree with that, give me a comment if you think I should show more, and hit that notification bell on your subscription if you want to be told when I'm next posting, because I should be on a regular schedule. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.